Welcome to this tutorial about Word, Microsoft Office Word, and how to change the page size and page margins. In any version of Word, you will have a page layout tab. These are all the tabs above the ribbon, and the strip below the tabs, which has all the buttons, is called the ribbon. And now for changing the page size, you have to go into the page layout tab and then click on size and then choose any size that is required for your work. Normally for office work and for reports and general documents you use A4 size, but there are others. A5 is a smaller size. There's A3, which I can't find right now over here. That's a bit larger, and B, this is a bit larger too, but this is how you change the page size. Now margins sorry, margins can be chosen from the margins button, again in the page layout tab. If you want to choose narrow margins, you will have more space in the center of the document to type, like so. If you choose wider margins, the margins will be thicker and you will have less space in the center to type. Remember, you can't type outside the margin. Anything outside the margin will not be printed, and that's the amount of space that is left, that is kept separate from the left edges and the right edges. So it depends upon your requirement, how to which margin you need. So the page size and the margins button are in the page layout tab.